To unblock Skype in Qatar, you need to set up a secure and invisible SSL VPN connection on your iPhone. How to create SSL VPN connection in your iPhone. First, download and install Cisco AnyConnect application. Open AnyConnect application and select Settings. Uncheck Block Untrusted Servers to allow them. Back to Home, tap Connections, add VPN connection. Enter description, server address, and tap Save. Swipe AnyConnect VPN to On. Click Continue. Input username, and tap Connect. Input password, and tap Connect. Wait for the connection. That's all. You have created VPN connection. Please note, you can get VPN server address, username, and password from your VPN provider. We recommend the following VPN providers with free trial: AeroShield VPN, Sarzad VPN, Silverhana VPN, Relaska VPN. All links in the description. Thank you for watching. Connect to VPN and enjoy voice calling without any limits.